Alright, today I'm going to be doing a review on my 2012 Honda Sabre 1300. Displacement on these are 1312. V-twin shaft drive, which is really nice. I like the tank. It's a 4.4 gallon. Really nice curves and looks to it. You might have seen some similar ones to these. They got the Honda State Lines, the Honda Furies, and stuff like that. I actually bought this last year. Supposed to be looking for a bike. Me and my brothers finally decided to go get some bikes. Our parents had always had bikes. They always went down to Sturgis every year. So a big thing of ours was to all get bikes so we could ride around with our parents and everything. So wife was all for it. The only thing she asked for was to get the family stuff taken care of, like, you know, family vehicle, house, that kind of thing. So last year was when we started looking around finally, and I went through about, I want to say, like 8 to 10 bikes that I was supposed to look at the week I got this. And pretty much every single one of them sold. One that I was looking at was kind of the other version of this, the Honda Fury. It was all blacked out, had the red accents on it. I'm sure you guys have probably seen some a little bit. If you haven't, I'm sure you can look it up on YouTube or something. But I don't know, I really like the Sabres. They're probably my favorite out of that lineup. Really stretched out, really nice look to it. One thing I did change right away was the seat. Stock seat was not very comfortable. I ride quite a bit, so yeah, I definitely need something that could last more than an hour. So I went and ordered one of those. This one's a Mustang touring seat actually, which was really nice, really comfortable. Went from being in pain with my lower back and my shoulders and everything from riding from a couple hours, and for an hour anyway. And then after I switched to this, I thought it would have been my handlebars, if anything, that I had to change, but it ended up just being the seat, and then everything was golden after that. Now I can ride for pretty much all day and not have any pain. I did get some 3-inch Cobra Slip-Ons. Those sound really nice. I did take the baffles out. It sounds pretty cool now. I really like the sound of that. The stock ones that they had on these, they were so quiet I couldn't even tell that the bike was started half the time. So I got rid of those right away. One thing, kind of, if I had to nitpick on anything about this bike, it would probably be they got a governor that kicks in at about 100 miles an hour, so you can't really go any faster than that unless you get that taken out. It's got a Rev Limiter on it. One other thing I like about these, they have a really nice 21-inch front tire. Really make the look of it. The tank, I really like the lines, everything. Nice big tank on it. Put about close to 5,000 miles on it last year in riding season, which was fairly decent because I live out in North Dakota, so we have really crappy winters and cold weather and whatnot. But yeah, so anyway, I was supposed to pick up, I was supposed to look at actually like 8 to 10 other bikes. One was a Honda Sabre, or not a Honda Sabre, Honda Fury, sorry. That one was all blacked out, had the red accents on it and everything. The other one was a, what was it? Oh, the VTX, had custom flame paint job airbrush on it. My mom actually got that one. If you guys check out my page, you can see her riding around with me. You can see my two brothers that ride with me. One's got a, I think, 04 Shadow Sabre, red one, and my other brother has a 93 Harley Softail. My dad, he's got a, I believe it's an 05 or 06 Suzuki Intruder 1400. So if you check out the page, you can see us all riding together. And the funny story about it was kind of we all started looking for bikes, and I think within about a month or less than a month of each other, we ended up all getting bikes. So yeah, like all summer we got to ride around last year, hit up a bunch of runs and everything, had a lot of fun. You can check some of those out on my page also. I took the baffles out of these pipes here. I'll do a little start up here so you guys can hear it, but I think it sounds night and day better. Like it sounds pretty awesome. The Cobra pipes do sound nice, like alone, but I just wanted to see kind of what it sounded like without the baffles in it. I don't know, it just sounds awesome, so I just kept them out of there. But we'll start it up and let you guys see what you think. So yeah, anyway, I ended up looking at a few bikes anyway. They ended up selling them. Went in to a dealership, went to go get a 2017, I believe it was, Victory Vegas, which looked very nice. They actually ended up selling it that morning. Told me to check out the inventory, and I found this one, which only had, I want to say like 3,400 miles on it. So barely over an oil change. And I wasn't a really big fan of blue bikes, but I don't know if you can, you can probably tell a little bit in the sun, but this thing really pops. It's not like those dark blues that you see on some stuff. I don't know, so I fell in love with it right away, and I love the hell out of riding it, and it's a lot of fun. I would definitely recommend this for anyone that's looking for one. This would definitely be a good bike. As of now, pretty much it's all stock except for obviously the seat and the I think the sissy bar somebody added, the guy before me, I think. I heard that they don't really come with those. I don't know, some might, but then obviously the Cobra pipes. But yeah, check out my other videos, like, subscribe, share. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be posting a lot more videos of my rides and stuff going on this summer. My wife, she's got a 05 D-Star 650 Midnight Custom. She's learning to ride, so I'll be posting videos of that. Probably do a little review of her bike too, for those that want to check it out. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.